Hey there, drone fans. Today I'd like to give you 5 good reasons why I think the SkyRover S1 drone could be a great drone for any new flyer looking to join the hobby, or even experienced flyers that are searching for a smaller drone that's easy to take on vacation, but still has all the features you care about at a really good price. So let's start off with the size of the drone. This drone weighs less than 250 grams, and that's an important number because in the United States, if a drone is under 250 grams, you won't have to worry about registering it with the FAA. And if you live outside the United States, you may not have to worry about insurance or advanced testing. You can just buy the drone, put it up in the air, follow the rules, and have fun with it. The other thing that's nice about a small drone like this is that's fully open. Watch when I close it up. So if I fold in the arms, which is how you're going to carry it, it really takes up less space than a can of soda. And when you look at the charging hub and the controller, all 3 of these together really take up less space in your bag than a pair of sneakers. So you're going to take this with you everywhere. But don't let that small size fool you, because even though it's small, it flies like a bigger drone. It can handle a level 5 wind, which is incredibly strong. It also has a lot of other advanced features that you normally only find in larger, more expensive drones. So let's start off with the camera, because the reason you're looking at a camera drone like this is to capture some incredibly good footage and take some beautiful pictures. This drone has a 1/2 inch sensor on the front, which is a really big sensor for a small drone like this, and that allows it to capture 4K footage at up to 60 frames per second, just like your DSLR, and it can take 12 megapixel pictures. So when you put it up in the air, you're going to get some amazing footage on vacation. It also has an incredibly frugal engineering behind it, which means a single battery on a full charge will deliver up to 40 minutes of flight time. Most drones of this size, you're going to get 15 or 20 minutes of flight out of them if you're lucky, so 40 minutes is incredible for a small drone like this. That's plenty of time to put it up in the air, fly out to a point of interest, film a little bit, take a bunch of pictures, fly around a little bit more, and still have plenty of energy to come back and land where it took off. So 40 minutes of flight time. Now I've got the combo in front of me, which includes a few extra things. It's offered as just the drone and the controller, but the combo includes a charging hub that can charge up to 3 batteries, 2 additional batteries, a carrying bag, and the controller. So you've got 3 batteries at 40 minutes apiece maximum, up to 120 minutes of flight time, which is incredible. That's 2 hours of flight time. In addition to that, the transmission technology between the controller and the drone is incredibly sophisticated. And what I mean by that is most flyers that are new worry that if they're flying their drone and they lose connection with the drone's going to head for the horizon and they'll never see it again. With this transmission technology, it guarantees up to 12 kilometers of distance between where you're standing and where the drone is flying, and that's incredible. 12 kilometers away. Now, in the United States, you can't actually fly that far because we have visual line of sight requirements, which means you have to keep the drone in your line of sight. But knowing you can fly up to 12 kilometers away means you have an incredibly strong, sophisticated signal that binds the drone to the controller. So if you happen to drop down behind a stand of trees or behind a building, you're not going to break the connection. But let's say you did break the connection. What would happen with the drone? Well, this one is smart enough that if it loses connection with the controller, which is incredibly rare, it actually takes over. It'll elevate to a height that you've set in the application, spin to face the home point, fly back, and land almost exactly where it took off. And it's smart when it's flying back because it's got crash avoidance in the front and it's got sensors on the bottom. So even if you lose the signal, which is not going to happen, it's going to come back, and it's going to come back and land safely right where it took off. The last thing I want to talk about is that SkyRover's built in a lot of advanced technology into the drone. And what I mean by that is there's artificial intelligence built in that the drone can fly predetermined flight patterns at the push of a button. So the first time you fly the drone, you can put it up, you can tap a button on the controller, and the drone will circle you and keep you in the center of the frame. Or there's another feature where it'll fly away from you and expose the landscape behind you. It's got one where it'll swoop down and come up behind you. So there's 5 or 6 different flight patterns that are built into the drone, again, that you can trigger just by tapping a button on the application. So the first day you fly the drone, you're going to capture some incredibly good footage that you can instantly share on your social media platforms. Now, I do have the combo in front of me, and I like the combo because it gives you things that you'll normally end up looking for once you start flying the drone. For example, once you put this drone up in the air, I promise you're going to have so much fun with it that you're going to want to fly longer, and you're going to look for extra batteries. And once you have those batteries, you're going to wonder, gee, how do I charge all those batteries? You're going to need a charging hub. You're going to need a way to keep everything organized and protect it when you're traveling. So what you get with the combo is everything you'll need to put it up in the air, charge those extra batteries, keep everything organized and protect it. It's really the best way to go. I've tested a lot of drones in my career, And I have to say, this SkyRover S1 packs so much technology and so much fun into a small sub 250 gram drone that for me, it's the one I recommend all the time. So hopefully you found this review helpful. I really like this drone and I think you're gonna like it as well. So until next time, happy flying.